Today we're featuring a 2012 Honda Accord LXP. It's taffeta white in color. It's got ivory cloth seats in it. It's got 96,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, 2 owners. Okay, I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Make our way down the driver's side here. Everything looks in really good shape. No issues at all on the driver's side. And just a little bit of scuffing right here on the back bumper. As you can see, it's been painted over right there a few places. Okay, barely noticeable though. Same thing right here. Okay, you got a little bit of a wrinkle in the bumper right there. Another little area here and here. Okay, but it's already been painted back over. Another one here. Okay, but you can hardly notice that. Okay, it's got 96,000 miles on it on a 2012, so some of this stuff's to be expected. It will be priced accordingly. Okay, it'll be a fair price. But I just want to point those out to you. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything looks really good. No issues at all there. Just another couple little paint chips right here. Scratches. It's been painted over here, 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 and here. It's another little rub right there, a little paint chip right there. But everything else is in pretty decent shape. Another one here. Okay, but other than that, exterior is in good shape. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a 2012. It's got 96,000 miles on it, so you're going to get some scratches and some dings on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the two-tone door panel, black with the ivory, power locks, power windows. All right, ivory cloth, power driver's seat. Just a little bit of staining right here on the seat, but overall in good shape. Does come with a keyless entry key fob. All right, the passenger seat's in good shape as well. Just another small little stain right there. Okay, but like I mentioned earlier, it's got 96, and right here at the headrest too. But it's got 96,000 miles on it, so it's to be expected. But it will be priced accordingly, and it will be fairly priced. All right, got your AM/FM CD player there. You're gonna have your radio display there, and I'll show you that in a second. It does have steering wheel audio controls. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 96,149 miles on it. All right, now that we got it started, I'm gonna go ahead and show you your display here. And then we'll pan out a little bit and show you the climate control center, AM/FM, CD player. Okay, the AC is blowing really cold, no problems there. And another thing I wanted to show you right here in the center console, it also has a power outlet, auxiliary outlet, and USB port. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat and check out your trunk space. Back seat cloth looks good. No problems back here. It does have the center console that comes down with the cup holders. Just a small little stain right there as well. Alright, but the carpet back here is in good shape. And it also has the access to the trunk as well. Okay, and if you look back there, that'll be the trunk. I'll show you it from the trunk side in to the back seat, but you can access the trunk there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the driver's eye view here. Give you the layout of the dash. All right, let's check out your trunk space. Cloth's clean. The carpet, I should say. All right, plenty of room back here. I'll step to the side so you can see the depth. But that little beige square back there, that's how you access the back seat. Okay, so you can sit back there and access anything in the trunk through that compartment there. All right, let's check out your wheels and tires. 16-inch alloys. Brand new set of tires. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, so 2012 Honda Accord LXP, got 96,000 miles on it. It's actually in really good shape to have that many miles and to be as old as it is. Okay, it's going to be priced accordingly, going to be priced fair. Come down, check it out, take a test drive. All right, it's got a clean Carfax, 2-owner, 96,000 miles on it. Come down, check it out, take a test drive. Thanks for watching the video.